welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare two South Indian dishes which complement best with rice. They can also be enjoyed with jawar roti, ragi roti, akki roti or even normal chapati and even uttappam. It is vegetable raw mango dal and raw mango chutney. Usually in South India, especially Andhra, we make raw mango dal regularly in season, but when you add veggies along with raw mango, the taste just elevates. You must definitely try this. Raw mango fresh coconut instant chutney is also one of my favorite chutney. So let's begin. Before looking into the process, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment too. Ingredients required for this vegetable raw mango dal are raw mango, onion, carrot, bottle gourd, pumpkin, green chilies. You have to chop all the veggies little bigger in size because this is one pot dish we are going to cook in the cooker, so you should not chop them small. If you chop them small, they get mushy, so try to see that you keep them little bigger pieces. This is dal. I have taken tuar dal and masoor dal equal quantity and soaked it for some time so that the dal gets cooked properly. Now we'll add these all veggies to this dal which we have soaked it. Bottle gourd, carrot, onion, mango, these are green chilies, add turmeric powder to this, add salt. Just mix it a little bit, not much. This gets cooked, it's okay. So now we'll cover it and cook until 3 whistles. Next we shall see the ingredients for raw mango chutney. This is instant chutney. Raw mango, coconut, freshly grated coconut, fresh coconut, red chilies according to your spice, coriander, curry leaves, urad dal, hing, cumin seeds and mustard seeds together, methi seeds, salt to taste. We will take a kadai, add little oil to this. We have to fry few things for this chutney. We'll add mustard seeds and cumin seeds, urad dal, methi seeds, red chilies, and saute them till they fry properly. Now this is fried, so we'll add curry leaves, coriander. So this is fried now. We'll turn off the stove, keep it aside till it cools down, and then while grinding we'll add coconut and raw mango and salt and then grind it. So this is cooled down. We'll grind this first. We'll add this to the mixer jar. We'll add little hing to this and salt. Grind this first, then we will see the next process. Now this is grinded, so we'll add this fresh coconut into this. We'll add mango. We will not grind it into a fine paste. We will just keep it coarse. Then only it tastes very nice. Otherwise, it doesn't taste that great. So I'll just grind it and give it back. So this is done. We'll add tempering for this. We'll keep a pan, add little oil to this, not much. I will add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. We'll add curry. Add this to the chutney. This is done, but it has become too thick, so I'll add little water to this to get to that medium consistency and add tempering for this. So for tempering, we need these items to make our dal more tasty. So coriander chopped, curry leaves, garlic crushed, hing, mustard seeds and cumin seeds, 2 red chilies. I will heat the pan, kadai. We'll add little oil to this. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds, red chilies, add garlic crushed. Fry this garlic properly in the oil. We'll add hing, curry leaves, add coriander. This is done. We can add this to the dal. Here is our super tasty, easy and healthy vegetable raw mango dal and raw mango chutney ready to be relished with hot rice and some papadums as complement with this dish. It is a heavenly combination of dal and rice always. Raw mango chutney with fresh coconut gives a wonderful flavor to the chutney. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.